Room by room remodeling, transforming our home. Our home is where we spend most of our time, and it is the place where we feel the most comfortable. It is where we start and end our days, and it is where we create memories with our loved ones. However, over time, our homes can become outdated or no longer serve our needs. Remodeling is one way to transform our homes and make them more functional and beautiful. In this article, we will discuss the benefits of room-by-room remodeling and how it can transform our homes. Room-by-room remodeling is the process of renovating one room at a time. This method allows homeowners to focus on one area of their home and make improvements that suit their needs and preferences. It also helps to manage the budget and the timeline of the project. Room-by-room remodeling is a popular choice among homeowners who want to transform their homes but do not want to commit to a full-scale renovation. One of the main benefits of room-by-room remodeling is that it allows homeowners to personalize their space. Each room in our home serves a different purpose, and our needs and preferences may vary from room to room. For example, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and it should be functional, efficient, and beautiful. Room-by-room remodeling allows homeowners to focus on the specific needs of their kitchen and create a space that is tailored to their lifestyle. Another benefit of room-by-room remodeling is that it can increase the value of our homes. Remodeling can update our homes and make them more attractive to potential buyers. According to a report by the National Association of Realtors, the average cost of a kitchen remodel is $35,000, but it can add up to $20,000 in resale value. This means that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their investment when they sell their homes. Room-by-room remodeling can also improve the functionality of our homes. As our families grow and our needs change, our homes may no longer serve us as well as they once did. For example, a growing family may need additional bedrooms or a larger living room. Room-by-room remodeling can help homeowners create more functional spaces that meet their changing needs. Remodeling can also improve the energy efficiency of our homes. Updating our homes with energy-efficient appliances, windows, and insulation can reduce our energy bills and our carbon footprint. Room-by-room remodeling allows homeowners to prioritize the areas of their homes that would benefit the most from energy-efficient upgrades. When planning a room-by-room remodeling project, homeowners should consider their budget, timeline, and goals. It is essential to work with a professional contractor who can help them create a realistic plan that meets their needs and budget. A professional contractor can also provide guidance on the latest trends and materials that can transform their homes. One of the challenges of room-by-room remodeling is the disruption it can cause to our daily lives. Remodeling can be noisy, dusty, and inconvenient, but there are ways to minimize the disruption. Homeowners can set up a temporary kitchen or living area to use during the remodeling process. They can also communicate with their contractor to establish a schedule that works for both parties. In conclusion, room-by-room remodeling is an excellent way to transform our homes and make them more functional and beautiful. It allows homeowners to personalize their space, increase the value of their homes, improve the functionality, and increase energy efficiency. With proper planning and the help of a professional contractor, room-by-room remodeling can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. It may take time, effort, and money, but the results can be life-changing. Our homes are where we spend most of our time, and it is essential to create spaces that reflect our personalities and serve our needs. Room-by-room remodeling is a step towards creating